Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we are going to solve another very interesting question from algebra. Here we have one equation x square minus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. And it is said to find the value of x minus 2 raised to the power 2 power 10 plus x minus 3 raised to the power 2 power 10. So let's get started by writing required expression equal to E first. Now we will begin with our known quadratic equation. So I need to write here x square minus 5x plus 7 equal to 0, which we will write x square minus 5x. 7 can be written as 6 plus 1 equal to 0. Now we will subtract 1 from both the sides. So plus and minus 1 will be over from LHS. We will get x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to negative 1. Now we will factorize our LHS. So we can split our middle term minus 5x as minus 2x minus 3x. Then we have plus 6 equal to negative 1. Now from first two terms x is common. From next two terms minus 3 is common. So we will get x times x minus 2 minus 3 times x minus 2 equal to negative 1. Now x minus 2 is overall common. We will write x minus 2 times x minus 3 equal to negative 1. Now we are going to consider our substitution. Let us say x minus 2, suppose this is A. X minus 3, suppose this is B. So we can write our equation A times B equal to minus 1. I will consider this is our first equation. Let's write our required expression in terms of our substitution A and B. So x minus 2 is A. We will write E equal to A raised to the power 2 raised to the power 10 plus x minus 3 is B. So B raised to the power 2 raised to the power 10. This is our target expression. Now A is x minus 2, B is x minus 3. So I will write here A is equal to x minus 2, B is x minus 3. So I can subtract second equation from first one. We will get A minus B equal to plus and minus x will be over. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. Let's say this is our second equation. First equation was A times B equal to negative 1. Now we have one new system of equations from which we have to find our required expression E equal to A power 2 power 10 is 1024 plus B power 2 power 10 1024. So with the help of this system of equations, we have to find our required expression A power 1024 plus B power 1024. So I will begin with equation number 2. So I will write here A minus B equal to 1. A times B is minus 1. We will utilize this equation once we will square both sides. So I am putting power to both sides. Now we will apply A minus B whole square formula and we can write A square plus B square minus twice AB equal to 1. Now AB is minus 1. So we will write here minus 1. So we will write A square plus B square minus 2 times minus 1 equal to 1. Or we will write a square plus b square plus 2 equal to 1. Now we will take plus 2 to the RHS, or we can subtract 2 from both the sides, and we will get a square plus b square equal to 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. I will consider this is our third equation. So our target is a power 1024 plus b raised to the power 1024. Here we have a square plus b square equal to minus 1. We are going to square both sides. So I will write here a square plus b square equal to minus 1. We'll square both sides. We'll apply a plus b whole square identity this time. We will get a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2a square b square, which we can write 2ab whole square equal to minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Now a times b is minus 1. So we will write a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2 times minus 1 square is 1 equal to 1. So we are going to get a power 4 plus b power 4 equal to 1 minus 2, which is equal to minus 1. And let us say this is our fourth equation, a power 4 plus b power 4 equal to minus 1. Equation number 3 was a square plus b square equal to minus 1. Again we'll be squaring both sides to get the value of a power 8 plus b power 8. So I will put power 2 both sides. We'll use a plus b whole square formula this time. So we'll be getting a power 8 plus b power 8 plus 2 times ab whole power 4 equal to minus 1 square is plus 1. A times b is minus 1. So we'll write a power 8 plus b power 8 plus 2 times minus 1 raised to the power 4 equal to 1. Minus 1 with even power is plus 1. So we'll write a power 8 plus b power 8 plus 2 times 1 equal to 1. So we can conclude a power 8 plus b power 8 must be equal to negative 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Let's say this is equation number 5. Now we'll be squaring once again. So I will write here a power 8 plus b power 8 equal to minus 1. We are going to put power 2 both sides. We'll be using a plus b whole square identity, and we will get a power 16 plus b power 16 plus 2 times a power 8 times b power 8, which we can write ab whole power 8 equal to 1. A times b is negative 1. So we will get here a power 16 plus b power 16 plus 2 times negative 1 whole power 8 is 1. So equal to 1. Now we have to subtract 2 from both the sides. We are going to get a power 16 plus b power 16 value, which is again minus 1. So once we are squaring our equation, we are going to get the same result minus 1. Now we will be writing our equations directly. After squaring the equation, we will get a power 32 plus b power 32 equal to minus 1. Again we will square. We will write a power 64 plus b power 64 minus 1. We will square once again and write a power 128 plus b power 128. This will be equal to minus 1. Again we will be squaring both sides, and we will get a power 256 plus b power 256 equal to minus 1. We'll be squaring once again, and we will write a power 512 plus b power 512 equal to minus 1. And now we have to square for the very last time. And we will get a power 1024 plus b power 1024 will be equal to minus 1. Now we can write our answer. Required expression E will be equal to a power 1024 plus b power 1024. So E will be equal to negative 1. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.